already prepped my skin, so I'm going to start with this illuminating strobing moisturizer cream primer for that dewy, glowy, fresh look. I really like how this primer gives a subtle, natural glow to my face. And next for the foundation, I'm using this Cutiees cushion foundation. It also has a compact powder in it. I'm applying all over my face and then I'm going to blend it all together very perfectly. And now for the concealer, I'm only going to apply on the areas where I want to brighten up, like around my eyes and nose, and also around my mouth and little bit on my chin, and also on the center of my forehead. So first I'm going to use a brush to blend the concealer, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender. And now for setting base, I'm using this Cutiees 2-in-1 cushion foundation and compact powder. And now to define my eyebrows, I'm using this brown eyebrow pencil from Color Chemistry. And now for eyeshadow, I'm using this pink shade from this Mars eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to blend it all over my eyelid. And now taking a shimmer shade and applying on the center of my eyelid. And now for liner, I'm using this liquid liner from Sharon Cosmetics. Now I'm going to apply a pink shade on my lower lid, the same shade that I've applied on my upper lid. And now for aegisal, I'm using this brown pencil, so I'm just going to squint my eyes as much as possible to find that under eye fat, and then I'm just going to draw a line. And now adding some highlighter over here. And now adding mascara on my lashes, and don't forget your lower lash line. And now for blush, I'm using this Cutiees powder blush and applying on the center of my cheeks and also on my nose and little bit on my chin. And now for contour, I'm using this very thin brush to contour my nose. And now adding highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes, on the tip of my nose, and on the bridge of my nose, and also on my cheeks. And now for lips, I'm using this nude pink shade, and I'm just going to dab it, and then I'm going to add a pink gloss.